I love lasers. And this is why I'm very excited with what I have here inside of these boxes. So let's quickly open it up. And here we go. Boom. Yeah, this is a big laser, well, actually no, it's a little laser machine. It's a little laser machine, but it has big power.
All right.
Here. So these are the accessories. I guess here is the gun.
Nice.
And that's the main machine.
Whoa, dude, it came nicely packed.
Okay, so there it is.
All right, what is it?
This is a laser welder, cleaner, and cutter.
Nice, nice.
Yeah. So we have all the accessories here. I'll just quickly take it out. It's nicely boxed. We have some goggles. So these are good to keep my eyes alive when I use the machine, and so I don't fry them. So these are very important. I have a couple little spare focusing lenses. We don't need those now. And the power cable. And yeah, that's it for this one. Now we can open this second box, which isn't quite as exciting as unboxing this beautiful laser machine, but it's equally as important, I guess, because it comes with a good anti-laser helmet, more nozzles. We got a smock, some tubing, a little thing to hold to support this. Now at the bottom, we have one other very important thing, which is the wire feeder. Because you gotta feed in fresh metal wire as you weld, and yeah, I mean basically that. And I should also say that all of this stuff was sent to us for free by Xlaserlab, and this is the X1 Pro. And basically they kind of just sent it to us with very little instructions, and they just want us to mess around with it and see how we like it. And I'm curious to see how well it cleans, cuts, and welds, because it's supposed to be really easy, allegedly. But yeah, I think to get started, we just got to start plugging things in.
Which one? Starting with which one?
I'll start with the power one, because you got to start with the power. So just shove this one. I think this is the only hole that it fits in. Okay. It's perfect. This needs to be attached.
What is that, the ground?
Yeah, so the grounding wire needs to be shoved in the back somewhere. Where's it the front? No, it's right back here. Nope, that's gas. Should I use the instructions?
Probably.
No, it's in the front.
Okay.
Here. Okay, so the grounding wire's in. And then we need to put this emergency stop. And you just shove it into the only socket that fits back here. So that's about it for just plugging in the random things that we already have here. But one other thing we need is this. A big old nitrogen tank. We'll just bring this here. And we have this tube here that we just have to shove in the back at the bottom. Just push it in there, and that's it. So now if I open this, we have nitrogen in here now, and everything hooked up. So that's pretty fast. But now we gotta set this up, which is the wire feeder. So there's only one other socket back here that's left. There, okay. Also, this plug here, the RS-232, it's supposed to allow you to control the laser externally. So you can trigger it, you can do other things. And from what I was reading, you should be able to turn this laser setup into a laser cutting CNC. You could set it up on a CNC table, and then by computer you could control it and have it move and cut shapes. And that's kind of actually one of the big reasons why I wanted this. Okay, so let's plug this in the back here. That's pretty good. This one has like a slit down it. We don't want that one there. This one is the one that goes in here. Squeeze it a little bit. But that's basically it. You just have I mean, as far as I can tell, it looks right. Okay, so we can put that back there. So I think quickly here, we just gotta swap these wheels out. Because the wire I want to use is 0.9 centimeters. So it's a bit less than a millimeter. So I think this is the one you want to use. Now I can grab our wire. This is just mild steel wire. So yeah, you see, look, it goes over the wheel there. There we go. So now it's going into the nozzle.
Okay.
There you go.
Nice.
It made it. And now we can feed it through that. Perfect. Shove this back. Probably tighten it a little bit. We're very close to being able to get started. And does it throw any errors? It does. It has an alarm. So we turn the key on. Oh, alarm's gone. I'll just test the wire feeder. You can see here there's now a laser light coming out. That is not a welding light.
Okay, yeah.
It's just an aimer. So wire feed or wire retract, so it should work. Look at that. The wire's feeding, and we can return it too. Okay, that's pretty good. So we'll do the final touches. Something that is really like cool about this thing as well is that it's a fiber laser and it's 700 watts. But the form factor is so small because you can buy there are other laser welding cutter cleaner things out there, but they're kind of like these big blocks on wheels. Whereas this thing, you can just, I mean, it's easier if you have a cart, but you can just carry it around. But either way, I have this tightened down, so I think we're good to go. It's got to suit up. Okay, so we're doing welding first. So we click welding. Oh yeah, confirm. Okay. So basically here, I think we just have to choose a couple things. So where is it? Wire feed. Oh yeah, our wire feed rate is fine. I think we have to go here. Oh yeah, we can choose our metal. So we're doing mild steel. What's sus? What's
No idea.
standard?
Chat GPT.
Yeah, I actually have a page here that I printed out. So sus is stainless steel. CS is carbon steel. I mean, I think we'll just go with carbon steel. That's what we got. And it's roughly, I don't know what we have. We have 2 millimeters, okay? I don't know.
2 millimeters of what?
Of thickness of the steel.
Okay.
So 85 power, it suggests, with 64 hertz, 7 millimeters a second of feed rate. Okay, so I don't know, I printed out this whole page, but apparently it just auto does it. So
Well, that's pretty cool.
yeah, that definitely makes way more sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's kind of it. Okay, we'll take the emergency stop, put it in here. I think we hit the power. Wear glasses and a respirator before starting the laser. That's a good point.
Yeah.
Good warning, guys. Okay, I think we're good, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, so I'll grab the laser. Okay, to weld, I mean, we got a beautiful table. We got this.
We're just gonna weld this table?
I just want to run a line. Is
All
that
right.
fine? Just to see what
Yeah,
happens?
yeah. Let's see what happens.
Oh my god.
That's really clean.
Oh my god. I just welded. Well, I don't think that's considered welding. Let's
Well-
do it again. Oh, the wire got stuck. It's a pretty crispy line, right?
That's very clean. It looks like
It
it.
goes right through too. That's good. I want to test welding something though. We got to make a connection. So let's see. Can I connect that to that? Let's go. Huh. That's a very, very small, like, strip. How strong is this? I really want to know. Do you think a hammer will break this?
Yeah, probably. Oh my, never.
Holy crap.
Okay, well,
It's
I mean,
good.
I'm not a specialist, but that's pretty strong.
Holy.
It did not break.
I thought it was just going to snap right off. That's pretty good.
I did too. So now, the next test is a challenging one. Can we connect this to the table? So to do that, I think I'm going to swap to the cleaning function. Cleaning. Okay. Okay. I think we just blast. Oh, well.
There's
a bit of wire left. Oh my god. Yeah, that's why I have a respirator on.
Whoa.
The paint's burning.
Oh, yeah, I see it in the air.
Oh, it's so bright. Okay. And then, just for good measure,
Yeah.
it's shiny metal. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now for the ultimate test. Okay. Oh, that's solid.
No.
It's almost off. Actually, it's not. It's just peeling the sheet metal.
Well, isn't there a cutting function on this thing?
Yeah, you're right. We need to reclaim our piece. Boom, cutting.
I'll just swap the nozzle here, which I believe, as far as I know, this is the cutting nozzle. Now,
We should be able to use this to recover our plate. Okay, we've recovered it.
That was all right. You cut a part that was already weak. You cut a part that was weak.
Fine. We'll go here. That worked.
Nice.
I cut it.
What else can we cut?
I'm very, very glad you asked. I think we need to demolish this table. Is that too ambitious?
Let's see.
Boom. Alright, let's see. It worked.
Perfect.
Obviously, I missed like a.
Yeah. Well, like, it's pretty good. There you go. It's off.
We have a win now. That's really not bad.
Pretty
I
good,
obviously did, some screw up here, but in some parts, it's a very clean cut. Pretty good. On a CNC, this would be so useful. But even freehanding, it's pretty useful. Okay, well, we didn't quite demolish it, but we took a singular piece of sheet metal off of it.
Well, we got a lot more to go.
This would actually take so long. Yeah, I think we were a bit ambitious thinking we could chop this up into a bunch of small pieces. So, oh.
holy. So yeah, I mean, overall, this thing kind of, it's kind of awesome. I mean, the welding was just really easy. And what I think is cool is you can do aluminum and stainless steel. Because both of those are usually higher difficulty metals. But with this, it seems like it's kind of all just the same thing. You just swap the wire and go. But yeah, I mean, overall, very happy with it. And thank you very much to Xlaserlab for sending this to us. There's a lot of stuff we plan to do with it. I'm particularly excited about turning it into a metal cutting little CNC table. I've always dreamt about that for some reason. But also in general, just welding, stainless steel welding. there's a lot of projects that this is going to become very useful for. Yeah.